Hey everyone, if Brave browser search is not working, showing no results, or redirecting to the wrong page, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to get your search working again properly. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Without a proper connection, search results won't load at all. Next, close Brave completely and reopen it. Yeah, this clears temporary glitches that may affect the search function. Now make sure your default search engine is set correctly. I mean, if it's changed accidentally, your searches may not work as expected. If search is still not working, corrupted cache or cookies might be the issue, so clearing browsing data can fix search loading problems. Some extensions can interfere with search results or redirect searches. Yeah, temporarily disabling them can help identify the problem. Brave shields can sometimes block scripts needed for search engines to work properly, so try turning shields off for the search page. Make sure your browser is up to date. You know, outdated versions can break search functionality or cause errors. Another fix is resetting your search settings to default. I mean, incorrect configurations can sometimes break search behavior. If your search keeps redirecting, malware or unwanted extensions might be the cause. So remove anything suspicious from your browser. If nothing works, uninstall Brave and reinstall it from the official website. This fixes deeper issues affecting search functions, and that's it. One of these solutions should help fix Brave browser search not working and get your search back to normal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.